Stop spending money on greasy takeout that ruins your diet. I can show you how to make it better at home.
This is Fakeaway Favorites. Famous restaurant meals, hacked for fat loss. Same taste, half the calories. Healthy McChicken.
Craving a McChicken, but not the 400 calories of oil? Let's make a high-protein, spicy McChicken.
Season ground chicken breast with paprika, garlic, and cayenne. This is where the flavor lives. Form a patty, dip in egg whites, and coat with crushed cornflakes for that in-sale crunch.
Air fry at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. No deep fryer needed.
Mix light mayo and hot sauce. Creamy, spicy, and low fat. Assemble on a toasted bun with plenty of crisp lettuce. Don't forget the sauce.
The crunch is louder than the drive-thru version, and it fits your macros.
Skip the drive-thru. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Addicted to Starbucks egg bites? Stop paying $5. Make them at home for pennies.
The secret ingredient is cottage cheese. Blend with eggs and Gruyere cheese.
Blend until it is velvety smooth. This creates that sous vide texture.
Pour into a silicone mold. Top with bacon bits or spinach.
Place a tray of water in the oven to create steam. This keeps them moist. Bake at 300 degrees for 25 minutes. Low and slow is key. They pop right out. Look at that creamy texture.
The perfect meal prep breakfast. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Panda Express at Orange Chicken is loaded with sugar. My version has 0 added sugar.
Cut chicken breast into cubes. Toss with cornstarch to get it crispy.
Pan sear or air fry until golden and crunchy. Don't deep fry.
Sauce, fresh orange juice, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a sugar-free sweetener.
Simmer until it thickens into a sticky glaze. It smells incredible.
Toss the chicken back in. Look at that shine.
Tangy, sweet, and crispy.
Better than the mall food court. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Domino's cheesy bread is my weakness, but this version has half the calories and double the protein.
We're using the magic dough, Greek yogurt, and self-rising flour.
Roll it out into a rectangle. It handles just like pizza dough. Brush with garlic butter. Cover 1/2 with mozzarella cheese. Fold it over, seal the edges tight, and slice into sticks.
Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes until puffed and golden. Dip in marinara. It is soft, cheesy, and garlicky heaven.
Pizza night rescued. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials for more.
Chipotle bowls are great, but they can easily hit 1,000 calories. Let's make a volume eating version.
Marinate chicken thighs in chipotle powder, cumin, and lime. Flavor is key.
Grill until you get that nice char. That's the restaurant flavor.
Mix rice with fresh chopped cilantro and lime juice. Don't skip this.
Build your bowl. Rice, black beans, corn salsa, and that juicy chicken.
Swap sour cream for Greek yogurt. Add a big scoop of guac.
Meal prep this for the week. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials. Krispy Kreme donuts are pure sugar. Mine are baked, high protein, and fluffy as clouds.
Mix oat flour, vanilla protein powder, and baking powder. Add Greek yogurt, egg, and milk. Stir until you get a thick batter. Pipe the batter into a donut pan. Don't overfill them.
Bake at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. They rise perfectly.
Dip warm donuts into a simple glaze, powdered sweetener, and milk.
It melts in your mouth. Perfect with your morning coffee.
Don't worry, be happy. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Miss KFC popcorn chicken? My air fryer version is extra crispy and has 50 grams of protein.
Cut chicken breast into small, bite-sized pieces. Keep them uniform.
Marinate in pickle juice and milk. This makes the meat super tender.
Toss in seasoned flour, paprika, garlic, salt, and lots of black pepper. Place an air fryer and spray generously with oil. This is crucial for crunch.
Air fry at 400 for 10 minutes, shaking halfway. So addictive, you can eat the whole bowl.
Finger licking good and healthy. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme, an icon. Let's make it lighter and packed with protein.
Start with a large low-carb tortilla. Add lean seasoned ground beef.
Drizzle nacho cheese. Then place a crunchy tostada shell on top. Spread Greek yogurt, lettuce, and tomatoes on the cool side. Fold the edges in tight to make that hexagon shape.
Sear seam side down first to seal it. Cook until golden.
Crunchy, cheesy, meaty. It hits every craving spot.
Live Mus. Eat healthy. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Wendy's Frosty is legendary, but it's basically just sugar. Let's make a high-protein version.
Ice, chocolate protein powder, and extra cocoa powder for richness.
Almond milk and a pinch of xanthan gum. This is the secret thickener.
Blend on high. Watch it turn into thick, soft serve.
It's so thick you might need a spoon. That is the frosty texture.
Top with light whipped cream if you want to be fancy.
And yes, you have to dip a fry in it. I don't make the rules.
The tuna melt is the ultimate comfort food. Cheap, high protein, and ready in 5 minutes.
Drain a can of tuna. Mix with Greek yogurt instead of mayo, mustard, and celery.
Season with salt, pepper, and fresh dill. Herbs make it taste fresh.
Pile it onto whole grain bread. Add a slice of tomato for juiciness.
Top with sharp cheddar. Air fry or broil until the cheese bubbles. Watch that cheese melt. The bread gets super toasty.
Lunch is served. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.